I'm Susanne Langmuir, and I'm the co-founder of aN-hydra.
I'm Thomas Langmuir. I'm also the co-founder of aN-hydra.
So the inspiration, we're launching a water-activated powdered skincare, and the inspiration was to do more with less. It was to take highly active ingredients in a waterless, preservative-free form, and to have something that was really sustainable and clinically backed by science in terms of being efficacious and just pleasurable to use as well.
We just wanted to take sort of, the issues of sustainability, of actual good performance, of good ingredients, and sort of meet them head on together and create something that, does more with less. I'm going to grow up in a world that's going to be here in 50 years, and we have to deal with the issues that we're creating. And I think, especially with the beauty industry, when I think like more than 90% of products that are just designed to be disposable, we wanted to create something which was actually 3 months of skincare in the palm of your hand. When you're done using it, it's not just something you throw out, it's something you refill.
We also wanted something that was universal, a product that worked as well on my skin as it did on Thomas's. It's a genderless product as well. It's pleasurable to use. It's products that we use every day. You start your day with them, you finish your day with them. Mm-hmm. They not only have to work, they have to be made with great ingredients, but it's just, it's a remarkable product.
We're the first to market with this new probiotic ingredients, which is, it uses a completely new technology to sort of micro-encapsulate these cells of these good bacteria, so that when they're added to your skin and activated with water, they enter your skin's sort of biome and help your skin use its natural defenses to keep itself healthy. When you're using these harsh synthetic surfactants that alter your pH, or there's changes in climate, all these things that can affect
antibiotics,
all these things that affect the natural way your skin operates. We've been on this planet for hundreds of thousands of years. Our skin has natural ways of keeping itself healthy, keeping itself beautiful. And I think the whole mindset of using these 10-step routines that are very harsh, you sort of want to take a step back and sort of think, everyone's talking about the gut biome and how you can use probiotics and drinking kombucha and all these things, and realizing how important having these good bacteria is. You sort of realize that your skin's no different. There's bacteria there. And that your
inside out.
Inside out,
yeah.
So I think that's one of the most important ingredients in our formula.
Yeah, there's also 10% vitamin C, which is in a waterless product, becomes a stable ingredient. Hyaluronic acid. There are glacier clays.
Pomegranate enzymes, aloe vera.
Aloe vera. It's a powerhouse of active ingredients. That's all the product is entirely made of active ingredients.
No water means no preservatives too. So everything you want without the things you don't. You're taking something that whatever step routine with all these big bottles that are mostly water and have preservatives, and just crunching it down to something small and truly distill the essentials.
I pour about a dime-sized amount of powder in my hand. I happen to have some water. And you activate the powder with water. It turns into the most luxurious foam and activates the amino acids, the microbiome powder. I use it twice a day. You can see it's already disappearing into my skin. So once a week I leave it on as an overnight mask, and when you hydrate again in the morning, it does have a very mild foam. Thomas uses it a little bit differently.
I find that there's sort of a learning curve with the product, and that you can kind of control the experience you want by having how much water you want. So in the morning I like to cleanse and sort of start my day fresh, so I'll add a bit more water, get a really nice foamy cleanse and just scrub away everything. And then in the evenings I like to have, I leave it on as a mask every night. So I'll use a bit less water, get more of a thick sort of foam, and just leave it on.
It disappears.
It's fun watching it. It just disappears instantly. And I'll leave it on overnight, and in the morning before I cleanse I'll wash it off. So I think I'm really excited to see how people use the product. You were talking about how you use it as a mask with
agave.
Oh yeah.
I love agave. I will hydrate it with a little bit of water and put it on, and then I'll put a layer of agave on, which is incredibly, it's a humectant, so it attracts moisture. And I've been playing around with a cultured coconut milk as a mask as well.
A lot of companies will ask you to do all this work, ship it back to us, and then ship it back to you, and there's so much effort you have to put in that I've never ended up doing that myself, and I care about the planet. So we really wanted to make this, easy. We think doing good should feel good. It shouldn't feel like a sacrifice to do what's right. It should feel like you're doing what is right. So we made a system where we ship out a new refill product to you in an envelope. a sugar packet, and you just tear off the top and pour it into your product, and the entire process
Good
is
to go.
100% recyclable.
Making it easy.
Making it easy.
Making it easy. You know, life is already hard enough. Like, it's difficult to do all the things you need to do in a day. I love traveling too. You know,
It's
I got
so small,
this
yeah.
in a serum, and I'm in an SPF.
I remember
Three
when
essentials.
I was in university in my dorm, we all shared a bathroom. I had to have this whole corner of the bathroom where I
I
had
don't have that
like 5 It's like I had a cleanser in the corner. I was trying all these things to try and get clear skin.
It's a rite of passage.
Going from that to this just small little bottle that's in my on the corner of my bathroom is so much nicer. I think what we really want to do is make all these issues, skincare, sustainability, well, you know, trying to make these easy.
Kind of the same issue, really. The same opportunity.
You know, making skincare
Yeah.
sustainable.